Mossy Waterfalls. In the eastern region, up in the mountains. Coming through the village. Dang. Yo, the mountains are so vast up here, man.
Yeah. That's a monkey sanctuary.
Monkey Century?
Yeah.
This is all the monkeys?
Yeah, where the monkeys live.
And that,
Up on the hills.
wow.
That's a monkey sanctuary.
Wow, monkey sanctuary. Wow. Oh, I didn't mean to have that like that. Let me switch down. The camera switched around when we like this, so I didn't mean to do that. We had to edit that out.
So you can come and book for hiking and they'll take you to that place.
to the monkey sanctuary?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Do they have lodging up here?
Yeah.
In here?
Down there.
Oh, okay.
Well, it comes with your own tent.
A tent?
Yeah.
Oh.
So the kind of wildlife.
Yeah. Oh wow, okay. Look at that butterfly. Hey, it's just recording right now, not live, but just a regular recorder.
Okay.
Dang, this is fast. Yo. They got the road like this, huh? It ain't smooth as John out yet, huh?
Yeah. This time when you come in, maybe you can come with your quad bike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, careful. Yeah.
Yeah, with a quad bike.
When I did the walk, Willie,
Yeah.
I walked barefooted.
Yeah.
But this is different.
It's different, yeah, definitely. Okay. Yeah. No car is allowed to come to this area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This look like Ofancourt. This is how Ofancourt look. The cars be getting stuck in the Ofancourt. Yeah.
Or here you can rescue a Jeep Wrangler.
Yeah, Jeep Wrangler.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Your Range Rover, huh?
No, don't risk it.
Don't risk the range. Don't do the range.
Don't do the range, but you can do the Wrangler.
You can do the regular. Don't do the range.
Don't do the range. Because we've actually towed 3 Land Cruisers up on this hill.
Yeah. Tore them up.
We used a towing car to tow them.
Damn.
They bent their first and the reverse.
Damn.
And the car got stuck.
So the Range Rover ain't what it's cracked up to be, huh?
No.
Oh man, it just look nice, huh?
Yeah, just
Yeah.
I don't risk it.
You need a Hummer for this joint, huh?
Most definitely.
A Hummer.
A Hummer.
That's what you need. The Hummer
A
comes.
Dodge Ram.
Yeah, Dodge Ram.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah. Wow.
but I will let you risk your Benz C400.
Yeah.
No, I will let you risk that. Your Picanto, no.
Yeah.
Your Elantra, no. Your Camaro, no. Your SRT, no. Mustang, no.
Oh, you know your cars, I see.
It's cars like that, yeah.
Wow.
Not to this level.
Headed to Obosamasi,
Obosamasi
Waterfalls.
Adom Waterfalls.
Adom.
Adom.
Okay, yes. Wow.
It's on the map, right?
I seen a painting of it. That's how I found out about it.
Okay.
Some lady, she painted it. A European lady.
European lady.
Yeah, and that's where I found out. So I want to go see that.
Yeah. It's on the map. It's on Google.
Is land out here for sale?
Yeah.
Is land here for sale?
Yeah, up on the road.
What? Okay. All right.
I'll give you my number, so anything.
Yeah.
Out here, don't deal with the chief.
Oh, they don't do it.
When it comes to land, don't go and see a chief for land.
Go see the people who are selling it.
Don't go and see a chief like a king.
Yeah. So who should you go see then?
Go and see
the people.
the people.
Okay. And then it could get registered, surveyed.
Yeah. And they give you a legit land.
Okay.
Land that they sold to someone and own costs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, yeah. The tree house, a bridge.
Yeah, that's the kind of people but still under construction.
Yeah, wow. Dang, that's bang. Tree house.
Exercise.
I could hear it coming. I could hear it. Dang, somebody made these steps, huh? All the way down here, huh? Yeah, we gotta walk all this back too? Dang. Sheesh. Big steps, like it was made for a Sable or Memphis out this joint. You know what I'm saying? We in the tropical jungle out this joint. Mountain jungle. Jungle Rasta. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow.
You like to see?
Yeah, I had to get naked just to swim. You swimming?
Yeah.
Need some women up in here to go swimming. Need some women to go swimming. Dang.
Oh.
We here. The waterfall. We here. We here. We made it. Beautiful. See that joint? Damn. This is like a perfect. You know what I'm saying? Man, no fish in there? Oh, man. This is super lit. About to go out for a swim out this job? You about to swim? Yeah. Yeah? Oh, man. Okay.
You go do both of them.
Okay. Man. Wow. Oh, yeah. Wow. Hey. Alright. It's cool. Okay. Wow. Hey.
That wasn't it?
Yeah.
The blue? Blue. Yeah, where is it? I don't see no blue. Yeah. Come on. What is the blue? Oh, the water is blue.
There's a big one, and a small one is out there.
This the big one?
Wow.
How is it like?
That was nice. Do that one more time.
Hey. Yeah.
It's a waterfall in Philly.
Yeah.
Like this. It's called Devil's Pool. But it's deep. And people be jumping like from up here. I don't see no black people doing it.
Okay.
That's what I'm crazy. People done died from it. You gotta know how to dive with you. Yeah. This is nice. Alright, this is it for me. You know what I'm saying? I got you there. You feel me?
Okay, I got you.
Yeah. Jeez. That joint still going?
Oh, yeah.
Come here. That's it for me.
Your phone, everything is clear.
Yeah,
Your phone,
it's clear.
everything is clear.
Damn.
Look.
Damn.
Oh, nice phone. Wow.
Now you just gotta dry off.
Oh, yeah.
Damn. I'm gonna have to come back here again, man. I didn't know it was this nice. I spent a whole day at this joint. Obosamasi. It's right for me. I'm drying all down. Right there. Man. Running water.
I'm baptized.